Hey guys, glad to see you here. We've all seen Jon Favreau's famous movie Chef, or its continuation in the form of a TV show, The Chef Show, right? Well, if you haven't really, go watch the movie and the show because they're genuinely great if you're at least somewhat interested in food, like I am a bit. Anyway, today we will be making the airy and light, easy and tasty dessert from the movie. The berries and cream, of course. So without further ado, let's get rolling. So this dessert is actually very easy and simple. Also very tasty, I might add. All you will need is 1 to 2 cups each of berries that you will be using. I will be using equal amount of raspberries and bilberries. If you haven't heard of bilberries, well, basically they're European equivalent to blueberries. So just use blueberries instead. Also, you should add equal amount of blackberries, but I didn't have those at the time and it still turned out great. Also, I will be using a 1/4 cup of white sugar, some mint leaves, 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, and about 1/2 cup more of sugar for that caramel dust that Jon Favreau just yeets at the dessert. Nobody uses yeeting as a verb. It's not 2014. Cool, so to get started, first prep your berries by picking only the most beautiful ones. Only the cream of the crop.
Let me say it out loud, and let me point to the cream of the crop. I am the cream, and nothing is gonna stop me.
And of course, don't forget to wash them thoroughly. Next, combine the berries in a big bowl, then add in 1/4 cup of sugar and some minced mint leaves. To mince your mints easier, just roll them in a roll and cut them thinly. That way they don't get all over the place. Now add in your minced mint, mix everything good with a spoon and let it chill in a fridge for a few hours or so. In the meantime, we can make the beautiful caramel dust. To do that, add your sugar to the pot and don't touch it. Leave it on low-medium heat until it's all melted and becomes amber color. If you need to, you can move the pot a bit, but don't touch it with a spatula or nothing like that. Once it's done, quickly remove all the lights that were used for filming. Just pour out your caramel mixture onto a non-stick, heat-resistant surface like this multi-use parchment paper I have here. If it's ruined, don't sue me and read the manufacturer specifications. Now you can use the spatula to get most of the caramel out in the end, but be very quick and careful. This stuff is sticky and very hot. And if you want to know how to clean off the leftover caramel from the pot, go ahead and check out my Squid Game honeycomb cookie video in the corner right here. Anyway. Let the stuff cool completely, then finally prep your caramel dust by breaking your now hardened caramel. Oh yes, that crack and that sound. So, to further destroy the caramel, use your mom's rolling pin or a blender. For me, the rolling pin worked well enough. Also, don't do it in the same parchment paper like I did. Get a cloth or something. Now, the final ingredient is whipped cream. While everything chills, whip about 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream with around a teaspoon of powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. And voila! This is the type of white snow I can snort with my mouth. And now we can serve this beautiful dessert. And tasty. First, get the fanciest plate you own. Well, this one looks pretty fancy, though it isn't used for this purpose probably, and I should definitely watch a tutorial on plating techniques. But damn it dude, it tastes amazing. If you have some fresh berries, what are you waiting for?